Weird. It's empty. Come on in, everyone. You're gonna want to see this.
Weird. Look at these ancient tools.
And this hammer. So many masks. But why isn't anyone here? It seems like this place was once populated.
I don't know, but Skullgrinder should be here somewhere. Exactly why we should keep our guard up. We don't know what kind of powers this Skullgrinder has. Kopaka, what happened?
I was pushed by some mysterious force.
It's the Skullgrinder!
Yes, it is I, but you can call me Korta. Now bow down before the Master of Creation!
He is powerful, but we are not weak!
Let's fight back with our elemental powers! His element is fire, so I'll use my water!
Goodbye, Chua.
Yeah! Everyone, try to distract him. I'll do something. You'll see.
Okay, Liwa. Skullgrinder, come face us now!
Kanohi Huna, Mask of Invisibility!
One devastation wave and your masks will be mine! Yes! 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 Your work is done, Lord Makuta. Now, grant me one last minion to finish the job. Crush their skulls to a fine powder.
Your wish is
My command.
So, this is the fabled Mask of Time. I am the most powerful being in the world at this moment. I must save my friends! I am the guardian of this moment, and no harm shall come to my allies.
Hey everyone, he's waking up!
Skullgrinder, I will... What? What happened?
Relax, brother. All is good. Liwa and Gali have used their powers to reforge our masks.
Huh. But how?
Our friend in Toa Liwa. Yeah, you know the one you make fun of all the time? He found the legendary Mask of Time, used it to freeze time, and then killed Skullgrinder.
Liwa, I'm sorry for any disrespect I may have shown.
Oh no, everything's fine, Kopaka. Glad I could help. Anyways, using tools here, we have calculated that this mask is a mix between Skullgrinder's mask and the Mask of Creation. I will use Akimu's hammer to split these masks.
Could it be? Do my eyes deceive me? It is, Tahu. It's the Mask of Creation. We finally have it, Toa. We have achieved our goal. Now to wake up its maker, Akimu, Master of Creation.
Toa, you finally came. It's been so long. I will grant you new abilities. You will need them if you are to retrieve the Mask of Control. Now using the Golden Masks, the Mask of Creation, and the Mask of Time, I grant you Uniters!